So, all along you never thought about your man as me turn on the camera so you start talking about man. What? Are you alone have man? Eh?
Ackeen, don't snap me ear because it's very untidy at the moment due to me no water.
Eva.
So me on nobody feels say me nasty.
I'm tell you something.
I told me I have no water, guys.
Eva.
I'm telling you snap me. What happened?
Nobody would know so the place
Yeah, good
untidy.
thing I have protein powder.
Nobody would know so the place untidy
Very,
if you
but
never chat.
listen, you know, so that's what I stay. Me look what I'm here, keen full. Not even keen full. So therefore, if I'm sitting, I go say.
So who you want to big up? What go on? I'm not saying no show. You can't go and do a show for me.
Stop right now. Me I trend too much. Me stop.
Yeah, trend too much.
People may forget a break like, you know, so a break like with them, but you know, me a celebrity, everybody is really, but the media thing I'm right now, my baby mama.
Anyway, see what going on? Where you mix up? Where you say I mix up for me? Can you have to give me one juice too?
So me I give you, let me tell you why now. I want to call it one name, call it.
Call it what? One idea.
You don't want to call it a name, then you do so. Me I give you,
So tell me about your juice. Tell me about your juice business.
As you see, tell me talk, it's keeping. My things still are going.
Excuse me.
Hello?
You have water in here?
No, sir. Me tell you something. No water, sir. We don't have no water.
Why? Viva.
You can't check it.
Check.
No.
Huh?
You can't just come and check it now.
Oh, make a check. Me just a come find it. See me buy things and I can't throw them out. You know something? Cause me can't find too me just miserable. No,
So what? Anyways, we don't want to hear about your miserable behavior and all of them something.
Sitting there.
Viva, hear me and say. Listen, me don't want to hear about your miserable day. Your hairstyle I keep that door. But anyhow, hear what going on? What kind of juice I say I mix give me?
If you want to on here, I put protein powder, oats, chia seed, almond, banana.
Oh, that's something I make it nice people. If you don't hear one fun kind of sound, that's something. Yes, so I mix up one punch give me a now, so anytime I go again, anytime I go again, I can get one. That's what you say?
You ask me to come here, breed. Me and you in a business. Me in a business.
Anyways, tell me about the clothes business you are going on so. Are you a runner?
Yeah, guys, we run a big business, girl. Turn out to be an entrepreneur. Now, jewels and clothes, everything is on Viva.
So, Caravan, look at tour right place.
What kind of tour? What kind of tour? You don't see big shop there, so.
So, what have you 3 different aisles? Tell me what kind of shoes. What kind of shoes over there?
So, my shoes are polo. Polo for the kids, them right too. Polo for these.
Where polo them? Where polo for your kids, them?
If you can't spend, you see it.
So, how much are you saying to us, sir?
7,000 for a polo shoe.
Why not cooperate with me now, Viva?
Ackeen, I focus on doing juice. I'm not want to pay a chat over people and drinks.
So, how much one of them juice there now?
Depends on the size cup.
No, that the one that we have. Let me see a pretty up right there. So, how much fee?
I'm not pretty up. So, I just like one meal replacement.
So, how much
some
fee?
banana fee. 800.
8 bills.
Yep.
And then dear juice I ask you?
Suppose I'm thinking it's expensive. Look here, this is muscle milk here, how much I do money feed. You want what is
so how much juice I sell feed you for $800 up?
Well, on a good day, out of juice alone, we can look for one.
On a bad day, tell me about the
On a
bad
bad day, when I really have a bad day, I come really sit down, if I get no customer, we get to go look them and we get them. Yeah.
Oh.
So I really have a bad day or whatever. Ever go? Me not sit down. If one day come and me not make no money, to be honest, and me no want to make it because sometimes I feel laid back. But do a business
and then you know you have a little side hustle already. You know?
Yeah, I sell fish to my fried fish. My fried fish, sell fish.
So people say her this, so she get a movie thing at work and now. See her this, she's short, she's not really tall, you know. Short.
You just go catch her around there. Look how me look, sweaty, tired. I want a love bump in here, so.
Hey girl, you look good enough, you know?
Eh?
You look good enough, girl, you look bad enough.
I don't want to tell you that.
But you don't look bad at all, girl.
You just want to be like no.
The only thing I know, you need. Alright, I'm not going to say that, not that time.
I can't say what I need. Look at water for beard off, I have to wash my things them. I don't water on the pan here, youth.
Yeah, it kind
So to the people that were rich and I say, oh, then it's not a movie, I'm still here. We just give the movie thing a break.
So now big up nobody and nobody want
Big up the whole of Jamaica, big up the whole world, all who see me. Everybody will see me and I say, oh, yeah, big up the whole of one. I miss you too. I was surprised, you know. It's something nice one day. So just stay tuned.
You know, it's a friend, Miss Thomas.
Who do you
I say I want a friend, I don't know her name.
How may I say?
But anyways, come on, do my juice.
I don't pay juice, I think. I just want some water. I get frustrated right now. I get miserable. They take my water. We have pure water rate, people. I get me so frustrated, bro. No water, people. No water. From yesterday, I buy 800 water. I get about 4 jug. 4 jug plus 2 to me wash up my things them that often. Me have to go big water.
So, Biba, this is what your days are like?
No, not all of them. But you can't get when a good time, me have water, I'm just a smile. Let have skin.
No, but what me I say is normally you just there you sell your juice and you know you're on your phone or you keep up with mix up.
I don't work in a shop, I work on the plaza because sometimes too, when I walk in shop them too, and nobody want a juice, I just go cross over the ear, just shop them next door. I'm just go plot out the ear ends and do bread, because they want 3,000, I'm good. So people that's how people work. I never really in a one shop, I work on the plaza.
So how soon you migrate, Mama? Because I'm going to say you like how you plan to extend the business, but I don't know if you plan to go across the waters or what.
I really contemplate. I'm not all about taking any vaccine now. So it kind of, you know me, I don't really fully make up my mind. I say, yes, I'm going to take the vaccine. I'm more I'm not foreign frightened.
Oh, and one question I always ask you.
Hi, Trinity. How are you? Alright.
I am really always pose up with like a daughter.
You want me replacement for someone? Ackeen, my phone come.
No, I go Biba. I can't wait no longer for this juice. I can't wait no longer for this juice.
I have to go to my shop. See them, I have to go to water.
Alright, go on.
Help them buy. Bye, guys.
Go on, go do it later.
Yeah.
So you ain't gonna left me in a shop like I'm in a shop. Anyways, people, I can't turn on the camera screen, man. Gonna look more. So I'll be about that. And yes, me I go and work on some film same way. But me I go where and I think me did it over there so and she see me and start make one bag of noise so you know I come up there and start chat so I say why not just lead her. So yeah. Anyways, look more. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And I will see you people. I will see you very soon. How this? How this flavor? Yo, later.